All right, I'm gonna show you guys how to change this time zone in Zoom. So if you go to your Zoom here, you have your home page when you log into Zoom with your DPS account. You can do a couple of things here. You can go to meetings, webinars, recordings, settings, account profile. What you want to do is go to your actual profile. Here's my profile. If you wanted to change your picture, you could, all that good stuff. Scroll down to time zone. Edit your time zone. You want it to make sure that it's Eastern time. Usually Zoom had, I think, Pacific. It was some weird time. It was still the US. You want to make sure to find Eastern. We don't want Central. We want Eastern time. You can change your date format if you want it to. Save changes. There you go.